7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at STX. STX is currently ranked number 70 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $0.54 and as low as $0.30. STX is currently trading for $0.42. It has a market cap of $555 million. At the point of recording this video, STX is down 91% from the all-time high. Should we be getting some through the bear market? What's the worst case scenario for STX? We know that all coins always find their bottom when they are down 90 to 99% from their all-time high during the bear market. Should we start getting stocks right now? And what's the worst case scenario? And where should we be accumulating of stocks? We'll be answering all those questions in this video. We're looking at stocks performance against Bitcoin, stocks performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the stocks market cap chart, how low it can go in the bear market. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. At the point of recording this video, STX is down 65% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's down 21.9%. But in the last 1 week, it's up 10.5%. In the last 1 week, all coins have been pumping, STX included. You can see STX right here. It's up 10%. We have Convex Finance up 55%, and CovDio up 28%, ICP up 26%. So there's good times in the altcoin market, but a lot of these altcoins are down really bad. STX included. STX is down 91% from the all-time high. STX was launched just before the market went on an up-only season. STX was launched in November 2019, so he had a huge dump after it was launched. He had a dump and found his bottom at the COVID sell-off. It was down 78% from the launch price. After that, STX went on a monster run from March 2020. It went to set a new all-time high in April 2016. It set an all-time high of $2.7, which represented a 5,339% increase in just over 400 days. Crazy returns. We had a mini bear market in the crypto market, and STX went down 81% in that period in time, and then STX went up for the final leg of his pump. It went as high as $3.6. It pumped over 600%. In that period in time, Bitcoin went to as high as 69,000. Ethereum was trading for 4,800. STX too went up to set new all-time highs, taking out the previous all-time high set of $2.7 in April 2021. Good time for STX. Everybody was high on STX then, to the moon, and after that we started dumping. You know that when everybody's high on a project, that's when you want to start dipping, and STX has lost 91% of its value in that period in time. Should we be getting some STX right now? Is the bottom in? We know that all coins actually find their bottom after losing around 90 to 99% of their value. Important region for STX to look out for will be the 0.24 region. Why should we be looking out for that region, guys? That's where STX was launched. Launch date, that's where it was launched, and we're held down by that 0.24 region. You can see we tried to get off that region on February 2020. We were rejected off there. Even in August 2020, we just previously spent a period of time consolidated above there, got rejected of it. And when we wanted to go to new all-time highs from November 2020, when STX started its up-only mission, it still had to consolidate around that region. Right now, as STX is dumping, I expect it at some point in time to have some reaction to this region. Maybe we'll get a bounce, maybe STX will pump. Maybe that's where we'll get some bounce in STX. Maybe STX will drop to that level, and if it drops to that level, it will be down 92%, 93% from its all-time high, which is still in line with what other altcoins do during the bear market. Maybe we'll see a relief rally taking STX probably as high as $1. Only time will tell, but that's where I'll be expecting to get some STX right now during the bear market. Even though it's down 91% from the all-time high, you don't want to rush into it, guys. All these altcoins might look very cheap. You might be thinking to yourself, oh, if I get some STX right now and it goes back to the all-time high, I'll be up over 750%. Yes, you'll be up over 750%, but guys, it can still go another 50-60% lower. And from the previous bear market, we saw a lot of these altcoins, they didn't find their bottom till Bitcoin actually bottomed, and it took over 1 year to find their bottom after that. So you want to be looking out to Bitcoin to show you the way in the market. If Bitcoin is still trading for $21,000, and you want to see where Bitcoin will be going in the nearest future, because if the market is going to pump, Bitcoin will have to be healthy regardless. So we'll have to see where Bitcoin will take us. But if we see stocks pumping and very critical level we want stocks to pass will be this 0.62 level. If it pumps from where it is right now to that level, that will represent almost a 50% pump. And from the bottom for stocks, and came in here on 15th of July 2022, if it gets to that 0.62 level, that would have represented more than 100% pump. And you can see that level is a very huge resistance. It acted as a good support for us in the past, but right now it's going to be acting as resistance, and so we need stocks to actually pass that level. At some point in time in the future, it will pass. I believe that stocks can get to $10 in the next bull run, maybe higher than $10, but only time will tell. Right now, it probably can go to even as high as $13, maybe $14, but we have to navigate through the bear market right now, and the bear market is telling us that we have to take a chill pill. Now, how is stocks performing against Bitcoin, against Ethereum? Bitcoin, the #1 cryptocurrency in the market. You can see when stocks was launched right here, it just had a fairly consolidation period against Bitcoin from when it was launched in November 2019 till February 2021. It was up and down in a range of 60% against Bitcoin. It went to the top of that range, and that was launch price, and it went to the bottom of that range. That was the lowest it got to. But after it got there, in February 2021, all coins started going to the moon, and stocks included. Stocks gained well on Bitcoin, gained over 500% from February 2021 to January 2022, and that was where the top for stocks against Bitcoin came in. Since then, since January 2022, and stocks have been losing value against Bitcoin. It has lost more than 76% of its value, and the last 1 week is gaining some value, but it's still down 67% from the all-time high. Are we going to see a new all-time low for stocks against Bitcoin? Probably, guys. We might say new all-time low, and if stocks set a new all-time low on its Bitcoin pairing, to me it has lost only 84% of its value from the all-time high against Bitcoin. Is that possible? And that's very possible. During the bear market, Bitcoin actually outperformed a lot of these altcoins. Will stocks be the exception? We know that during the bear market, some altcoins actually outperform Bitcoin. Will stocks be the exception? Only time will tell. But how is stocks performing against the #1 altcoin in the cryptocurrency market? How is it performing against Bitcoin? And you don't want to be holding any altcoin that's underperforming against the #1 altcoin in the market. So you don't hold any altcoin that's underperforming against Ethereum. But stocks has been underperforming against Ethereum since when it was launched in October 2019, and trading pair against Ethereum has lost more than 80% of its value. Yes, in the last 1 month we have been getting some relief, and it has pumped around as high as 55% of its value against Ethereum. But is this a trap? Because, guys, since when it was launched in 2019, we have not been able to set a new all-time high on the stocks Ethereum pairing, and we have not been able to set a new all-time high. In April 2021, stocks got to as close as setting a new all-time high as possible. It went to the launch date on its Ethereum pairing, but since then it has been dumping, and it has lost more than 70% of its value since then. So I want to get a new all-time low for stocks against Ethereum. I think we might. We got a new all-time low here on the 19th of May 2022. Will that low hold? Probably not, because stocks might continue losing value against Ethereum. Only time will tell whether the bear market will be different from stocks, because we have not seen it operate in the full crypto bear market, so we don't know how low it can go through the bear market. But how low can the market valuation of stocks go through the bear market? At the top of the bull run, it had a market cap of over $4.6 billion. From having a market cap of less than $20 million in 2019, it rose to having a market cap of as high as $2.9 billion in April 2021, and then it went to set a new all-time high. Its market cap got to as high as $4.6 billion in November 2021. Right now, it's really down from the all-time high of $4.6 billion. It's down to $555 million, which represents 88% drop from the all-time high. How low can it go? Can see stocks market cap getting to as low as $300 million. If $300 million doesn't hold, the next logical support for stocks will be around that $180 million. Price has interacted with that region some few number of times. This $300 million, yes, a good support, but price has interacted with that region just once, and we might have a bounce of that region. If we don't bounce off that region, we might actually start going back to gobbling town. How low will it go in the bear market, guys? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. We'll be getting some stocks right now, and we have the maximum supply of 1.8 billion tokens, and we have 1.32 billion of those tokens in circulation, represents 73% of the total supply. Guys, at what point in time will you be getting some stocks through the bear market? And stocks is a layer 1 blockchain solution that's designed to bring smart contracts and decentralized applications to Bitcoin. These smart contracts are brought to Bitcoin without changing any of the features that made it so powerful, including its security and its stability. Will you be holding stocks through the bear market, or will you sell into the pump? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.